Today, I'll show you how to turn any text or object into a clickable hyperlink in Adobe InDesign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create links that your readers can click in PDFs or interactive documents using a simple and reliable method. Let's start right inside your InDesign document. First, look at the page and decide what you want to turn into a link. This could be a word or phrase in a text frame like visit our website, or it could be a graphic such as a logo or an icon. Carefully select that item. If it's text, use the type tool to highlight just the portion you want to be clickable. If it's an object like an image or a shape, use the selection tool and click once so that you see the bounding box around it. This selection step is important because whatever you have selected is what InDesign will convert into a hyperlink. With your text or object selected, you're ready to open the hyperlinks panel. At the top of the screen, go to the main menu bar and click on Window. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over or select Interactive. In the submenu, choose Hyperlinks. This will open the Hyperlinks panel, usually as a floating panel or docked to the side with your other panels. If you don't see it at first, check the panels on the right side of your workspace. Sometimes it's grouped with other interactive tools. Now that the Hyperlinks panel is open and your content is still selected, look for the new Hyperlink button. It's represented by a small plus icon at the bottom of the panel. Go ahead and click that plus icon. When you do, a new Hyperlink dialog box will appear. This is where you'll define exactly where your link will send people. In the dialog box, you'll see a field for the URL. Click into that field and type the full web address you want to link to. For example, you might enter something like http://example.com. Be sure to include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, because that ensures the link works correctly when someone clicks it in a PDF or digital export. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of the URL. A small typo here can mean a broken link later, so it's worth a quick review. Once you've entered the correct URL, you can leave the other default options as they are if you're just creating a basic web link. You don't need to adjust advanced settings for this simple workflow. When you're happy with the URL, click OK to confirm. As soon as you click OK, InDesign turns your selected text or object into an active hyperlink. If you selected text, you may notice a subtle formatting change depending on your document's hyperlink appearance settings, such as an underline or a color shift. If you linked an object, it will look the same visually, but it now has hyperlink information attached. You can see this in the Hyperlinks panel, where your new link will appear in the list, showing the destination URL. From here, you can continue designing as normal. When you export your document to an interactive PDF or other digital format that supports hyperlinks, that text or object will be clickable and will open the web address you specified. That's all there is to it. Select your content, open the Hyperlinks panel, create a new hyperlink, enter the URL, and confirm it.